Your students ask a lot of questions during the day? Just me? Okay. Well, if you have a class full of inquisitive students, or you're just looking for a really great free resource for research, I want to share something with you. The site is called Wonderopolis.org, and the entire site is just filled with wonders submitted by kids. You can search for content, or you can go in each day and see what the wonder of the day is. All the wonders are categorized, and they all come with tags and vocabulary that you can use in your classroom. Let's check one out. There are so many great features about a Wonderopolis article. Let me go as fast as I can. First off, there's Immersive Reader embedded within. So if you have students who struggle to read, it will read the entire article out loud to them. What? I know. The articles also tend to start with some great questions that can be used in discussions or as a jumping off point. They always tell you who the wonder was inspired by, and they usually have some form of media, either photographs or videos, that you can use to launch the lesson. As you go down and you read the article, there's also a set of wonder words that students might see as they're reading, and you can even take the word challenge. There's a really short little place for you to test your knowledge, just a couple of questions. And at the end, there's this try it out section with occasional activities, crafts, writing prompts, or other topics related to this one that you could go and research. This resource can be used inside the classroom in so many different ways, and the best part of it all is that it's free. $0 for teachers and students to use. As always, leave any questions in the comments and like and follow for more tech tips and ideas to use in the elementary classroom.